What makes a tire an SUV or CUV tire compared to any other tire out there? And the answer is it's in the load rating or the load index. See, typically with off-road tires or light truck tires, we'll see load ratings from a C classification all the way up to an F rating, which means the tire can carry more weight and hold more air pressure. An F load rating is going to be built to handle more weight, therefore it's going to be built stronger and will be able to hold more air in order to hold all of that additional weight compared to a C load rating, which won't hold as much weight or air pressure. This is where SUV or CUV tires differ from truck tires. A SUV or CUV tire will be passenger rated and have a load rating of either SL, which means standard load, or XL, which means extra load. Standard load tires have a maximum load pressure of about 35 pounds of air pressure and have no reinforcement in their internal structure. Extra load tires, on the other hand, are manufactured with a reinforced internal structure and can be inflated up to a maximum load pressure of 41 pounds of air pressure. The reinforced internal structure is the result of adding additional materials during the manufacturing process, usually to the tire's shoulder or sidewall for extra strength. The reinforcements also minimize possible tire deflection and lowers the possibility of tire damage caused by road impact. SL and XL load rating tires will offer a smoother and usually a quieter overall ride compared to truck tires, and often the extra weight carrying capacities of SUV and CUV tires aren't needed. Therefore, the reason and the answer to knowing what tires are designed for SUVs and CUVs compared to tires that are designed for more severe duty applications. Also, it's important to note that if you don't see the SL rating or a load rating at all, that number one, it means that the load rating defaults to a single load rating or SL, but may not be listed. And number two, that the tire's load index will tell you how much weight the tire can carry. The load index on SUV, CUV tires can vary between about 90 and 115 or so, depending on size and the manufacturer. Sometimes even the same size tire between different brands will have different load indexes, and a higher load index is indicative of a stronger, more robust tire that will help prevent cuts and punctures better than the same size tire with a lower load index. You might even give up a little bit of on-road comfort for the higher load index rating, but worth it in my opinion if you plan on taking your vehicle off the pavement. Plus, obviously, you'll be able to carry additional weight as well. We'll be going through our top 5 recommended tires in order from least expensive to the most expensive, out of these 5 anyways. There's even more expensive tires out there that aren't included in today's list, but we wanted to stick with the tires that provide the best bang for the buck for practicality reasons. Well, first we have the Falcon Wildpeak AT Trail, which is built for rugged off-road capabilities without compromising the on-road feel and comfort of the tire. The AT Trail strikes the perfect balance between aggressive off-road traction and dependable all-weather performance. It has a durable 2-ply polyester construction and a rugged upper sidewall that protects the AT Trail from off-road debris and terrains, while an optimized tread design helps to maintain that efficiency and versatility of a modern SUV and CUV tire. Featuring the United States Tires Manufacturers Association's 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake certified rating for severe winter driving conditions, the Wildpeak AT Trail ensures true all-weather capabilities. Additionally, a 65,000-mile treadwear warranty and having the best prices out of the other 4 tires we're about to go through with you today gives the Falcon Wildpeak AT Trail the award for being the best bang for the buck in today's video. However, not by much, as our next tire is almost right there with pricing and warranty with a 60,000-mile warranty and an excellent reputation. The BF Goodrich Trail Terrain is a major contender and might even be a little bit stronger than the Falcons, as the Trail Terrains average a bit higher load index rating across the board for comparable sizes. Again, this means a tire that's going to be a bit more robust out in the trails for that added peace of mind that this tire will get you to your destination. Not to mention, it also has the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake rating for severe winter driving conditions. And guys, that rating also helps the tire perform better in things like downpours and wet road handling. Plus, at the time of us filming this video, certain sizes of the BFG Trail Terrains are on sale right now, saving you even more money. Speaking of sizes, the Trail Terrain is offered in 26 different popular sizes for CUVs and SUVs, making it one of the most widely available models in its class. And I can also personally attest to the overall quality and performance of the Trail Terrain as I run them and have been running them on my all-wheel drive Toyota Highlander over the last 6 months during the heart of a Wisconsin winter. They're quiet on all different types of road surfaces, they grip really well on the ice, and would keep my Highlander sure-footed through all different types of snowstorms that we experienced this winter. Even while off-roading, they did a lot better than I had originally anticipated. To me, this is a great tire for anyone who does a majority of their driving on the road with the occasional off-road trip on the weekends. And guys, I really don't mean that to sound biased, so don't take that the wrong way, but I am truly a firm believer in how awesome these tires perform, and am super confident in saying that you wouldn't be disappointed with these. And number 3 on our list, and running almost side by side with pricing to the BFG Trail Terrains, but available in 37 different sizes, are the Cooper Discover AT3 4S. The Discover AT3 4S is Cooper's on and off-road all-terrain tire that's designed for the drivers of crossovers and SUVs looking for a tire that blends that off-road grip that they need with on-road comfort that they demand. Engineered to deliver traction on any surface it may encounter, the Discover AT3 4S combines on-road manners with off-road capability and provides confident snow traction that meets the tire industry's severe snow service rating requirements and earns the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol. And with a 65,000-mile warranty, this puts the Cooper Discover alongside the Falcon Wild Peak AT Trail for having the best treadwear warranties in today's tire video. Our number 4 tire is another yet highly recommended rock star of SUV CUV tires, and that is the Yokohama Geolander All-Terrain Geo15. When the road ends, the fun begins. The Geolander AT Geo15 is the ideal all-terrain tire for all weather conditions, delivering a perfect blend of on and off-road performance capability and comfort for drivers of today's CUVs and SUVs. With a 60,000-mile treadwear warranty and an excellent reputation across the board, these Geolander ATs are going to give you the peace of mind of getting you to where you need to go with confidence that you're going to arrive at your destination without fail, even if it's in crappy weather conditions, because it also carries the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating. And our number 5 heavy hitter for today's top 5 best tires for CUV and SUVs is one that has been crushing the off-road tire industry for years and has just recently announced their new sizes for the CUV SUV market, and that is the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss All-Terrains. With its tried, tested, and proven successful asymmetrical tread pattern designed to last you 60,000 miles, the deepest tread depth in its class of 1630 seconds of depth, the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, and the proven experience of the off-road tire leaders, there is no doubt that if your vehicle sees a lot of off-road use, that the Baja Boss All-Terrain is hands down the way to go. Not to mention, in my opinion, it has the best looks out of the other 4 tires. And guys, just real quick, before we wrap this up, I wanted to throw in just one more tire as sort of an honorable mention in today's video, because Nitto just recently released a new tire specifically for the CUV SUV market called the Nitto Nomad Grappler. With a 60,000-mile treadwear warranty, it has a tread design similar to the recently debuted Recon Grappler and looks like it's more of a hybrid all-terrain design. Plus, and finally, a launch of a new tire from Nitto carrying the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating as well. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to get one of these Nomad Grapplers here to check out and do some more videos on them in the near future, so definitely stay tuned for that. But because we haven't had a chance to really check out these tires yet is one of the reasons as to why it's getting just an honorable mention in today's video. But we'll have its link posted in the description below as well for you guys to easily check out the new Nitto Nomad. But what we'd really like to have and always greatly appreciate is for any of you that have any of the tires mentioned in today's video to let us know how you guys like them in real world driving conditions or didn't like them. Either way, it would be great to hear the feedback. And if you did have the extra time, let us know what the vehicle was exactly that you had them on, plus how much driving was done on the road and off the road. The more information you're able to provide, the better it is for all of us to get that variety of real-world feedback. And guys, as always, we appreciate all of you for watching and all of your support. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trail.